Today I'm gonna make some bread, Russian style. During World War II, Adolf Hitler had a plan to invade the USSR. He wanted to take control of Leningrad because it would be a big morale loss for the Russian army. With the city under siege for 872 days, and the city completely cut off by German and Finnish forces, there were no supplies going to the city. The civilians were suffering from severe starvation. To combat this, the Russian government rationed 3 slices of bread a day per person. This bread happened to contain, and I quote, 50 to 60% of sawdust and other admixtures. So, let's get to making that bread. Alright guys, the bread's all done. Cut it up all nice. And I think the only thing left is to do the taste test. So I got my friends here. Gage, Matthew, you wanna help me out and taste this stuff?
I really don't.
Alright, so just Matthew then. Alright, we all tasted this bread. What would you guys rate the normal bread?
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. What about you?
It's pretty salty, but it was good. Just needed a bit more like yeast. It just didn't rise.
Okay, what do you rate it?
I'll say 5.
5 out of 10. Okay.
But like a high 5, if that makes sense.
Yeah. Alright. The fateful moment. None of us are looking forward to this, but the bread with sawdust and hair in it.
I don't want to do this.
You gotta do it. Okay, just take the bread. You don't have to like swallow it, just chew it. Well, I'll tell you what, it tastes like sawdust. It tastes like pine needles. That's what the sawdust I did. It's really salty. You just take some moisture out of your mouth.
Why the fuck are you eating more?
Oh. Yeah, I'm done. This is horrible. I like this bread better.